In this video I will show you how to set password, protect any folder on Windows without any software easily in 2022. See, I locked this folder. Let's see how to do that. Create a new text document and rename the text file. Lock folder. Show the file extension. After doing this, rename file extension of the text file, txt to bat. Copy the command line, link below description. Paste the command line here. Type here the password you want to set for protecting the folder. After type password, click to save button. Double-click the bat file to run. See one folder created, move all file in this folder without bat file. Now double-click the bat file, then follow the command. Type Y and press enter. See the folder now locked. Now show the hidden file and folder. See, hidden file are not showing, that means file actually lock. How to unlock, double-click the bat file and type password. See the folder now unlock. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with friends. Thank you.